Ooh, stop car on his ass!
I beat you. I just jumped in the line.
I bet you it rung him that time.
No, it doesn't read it.
It had to because it gave me the win.
It doesn't read my side. I'm jumping. Fell asleep.
Yeah. Tell him.
You got a 1.6. You got a 1.75.
Who got a 1.6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's reaction time was 0.67. Look at that. He's jumping.
Stock car, baby. 7.
Driver's ready. Watch the light. No, I'm not saying it's dirty. But they love it. They love it.
Oh.
Everybody give yourself a
Benji getting some good footage on that hole.
He doesn't want to slip again. Driver's ready. Watch the light. Oh, what something came off the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. That's the first one. Finally, I don't really count it, but I'll take it for now. I'll take it for now.
Stock car did its thing.
Driver's ready? Yep. Watch the light. Driver's ready? Yep. Watch the light.
Watch your lights.
Good race.
Watch your lights.
Me and David raced last. Fuck, I wish I would just go back behind the clouds.
Driver's ready? Yep. Watch the light.
Damn.
Driver's ready?
Yep.
Watch the light.
Hey, that car's looking.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Driver's ready? Watch the light.
Oh. Yeah. Ooh.
Driver's ready? Watch the light.
Ooh. Hey, you take off. All right, this is the finals, y'all.
Driver's ready? Watch the light.
Right lane.
Driver's ready? Watch the light.
Oh. It's one race, yeah. It all came down to one race.
How's everybody doing?
All right.
That was weak. How's everybody doing?
All right. Watch your lights.
What are we doing this time? We're trying again.
Ooh. Congrats, Russ. Congrats, Russ.
Finally a win.
Congrats.
And I got 3 chicks walking up here with bikinis. I got a cooler full of ice and a cooler full of water. Who wants to do the ice bucket challenge? Oh, that was weak, dude. Come on. I gave my all of that, too. I said, who wants to do the ice bucket challenge? All right, so this is how it's going to work. You guys want to come? You guys want to do it? So what you're going to do, make a donation, whatever it is. $1, $5, $10, $20, whatever. So you're going to go over to the raffle table lady. She'll take your donation. And then you're going to stand in a line over here. Now, these 3 young ladies in bikinis are going to dump said ice water on top of you. Does that sound like a good time? No. That was real weak. That was I can make that noise for myself. Does that sound like a good time? All right. So listen, who's my first victim? Ooh, Julia. Oh, Junior. My little brother's gonna be the test dummy. Justin, you wanna see the ladies in bikinis dump ice water on everybody?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Look at him, he's smiling. You know what that means? He's having a good time. You know what that means? That everybody today did their job. Because you guys came here and had a job to do. And that was to make today the best fucking day ever. And that's what we did. Everybody give yourselves a round of applause. Like I said, without you guys, this couldn't happen. Justin, we love you. And don't forget it, all right, buddy? Today is for you. All right? Now let's get on with the ice bucket challenge. Everybody come make a line. Alicia, will you take the donations, please? Oh, $20. See, little dude donated $20 right off the rip. So if you're going to tell me you're broke, you're a fucking liar. So get up here and make a line. Let's go. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to do one of these. My wonderful girlfriend is doing a wonderful job dumping the ice in. So Junior, who wants to dump the water? You want to dump the water? Do you want to dump the water? Do you want to dump? Well, listen, Junior, come here. Oh my God, which one of these pretty ladies you want to dump the water on you? Pick one.
That was a hard choice right there for him.
Yeah.
Tell them you bid for 3 buckets, the 3 of them.
Oh, no, come here. Do you want me to pick for you? No? Okay, so which one? Which one? Oh, yeah. You're the first one. Oh, Karina! Can everybody give Junior and Karina a round of applause? And we're going to dump the ice water. Come here, Junior. Come here. Oh, my God, it's going to be cold. Ready? Turn around so everybody can see you. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Yep.
Watch the light.
You guys ready?
Watch the light.
Oh, he red light. Oh shit. Nice run, Kevin.
I try to get the best light.
Yeah, I know. I know. Yeah.
My girl cares so much about me, she's bringing my shit.
You were sleeping. You were sleeping on the light, huh?
Those nipples got hard though.
Nice one. Hey, hey. Excuse me. There's cars all over this thing. Way down there. I gotta come back. I gotta crank the nitro back up. Food out here, got shrimp. Popping over here. Yeah. That thing had whatchamacallit on there.
Little RC trailer.
That's dope. Stand back, man. Stand.
Put yours next to the little one. Photo shoot.
Right? Yeah, that's dope. I like that. You got the exact same damn car. Lexus. I got that shiny Joe.
I almost wanted to go back to just put a
Some nice cars out here.
going to the snow?
Brushless.